Find your dream home quickly and easily? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. This is Aiko Muriel, your trusted sales executive. Property investment pa? Here are 4 things to consider before buying a house. First, location. For the location, you might consider, ano nga ba yung best location for me? Are there groceries and shops nearby? Second, your purpose. Ano ba ang purpose mo? Bakit bibili ka ng bahay? Flip mo ba o ipaparent? Third, financial capacity. Make sure na kaya mong bayaran yung monthly mortgage. Mas magaan din sa bulsa if you purchase pre-selling properties. And last, humanap ka ng agent, yung mapapagkatiwalaan para mabigyan ka ng tamang detalye and options na fit sa'yo and sa family mo. I hope nakatulong itong mga tips na to para makapag-decide ka. So, invest wisely, invest in real estate.